It's really light, but surprisingly, it's really spacious. It's small, it's black, it's unisex, and will match with every single outfit. Hello everyone, it's Cowhide-leather. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I will unbox and share with all of you about what I've got from Louis Vuitton. If this is your first time watching my video, my channel will show about luxury items. So if you guys have interest in luxury items, you have to subscribe my channel and like this video. I know you guys are really curious about this orange box, so I will unbox this bag right in front of you. Here's the bag, the Petit Sac Plat with Epi leather of Louis Vuitton. It costs about $1,680. It's really light, but surprisingly, it's really spacious for your smartphone or your power banks. Now I will give you a closer look of this bag.
Louis Vuitton Epi leather Petit Sac Plat comes with magnetic orange box with blue ribbon as the signature of Louis Vuitton. If you purchase from official store, you will get an orange envelope for the receipt, and the dust bag stamps Louis Vuitton letter on it. And this is the bag, quite a small pouch but really gorgeous. The Petit Sac Plat bag in Epi leather is a miniature reinterpretation of one Louis Vuitton's iconic models, the Sac Plat. Lightweight and surprisingly spacious, it will hold everyday essentials, including a smartphone. It can be carried in the hand, on the shoulder, or across the body thanks to its removable strap. If you want to not use the strap, it has a handle which is really ergonomic to your hand. This bag has a silver hardware, that's why this bag is unisex. Men and women can wear this bag with any styles. Inside the bag, you will find a small Louis Vuitton card, and now I will show you how to put the strap on the bag. The strap has buckle with silver hardware, and you will notice the Louis Vuitton logo on it. The shape is really rigid as a mini version of the Sac Plat. This bag is a smart option for you who bring less items in your daily activities. But if you have a lot of items to bring every day, this bag is not a good choice because it's only 14 centimeters weight, which is only fit for a smartphone, not for your iPad, and 17 centimeter height. You cannot bring your long or tall stuff in this bag. It will show above the bag or be sewn because it's not secure, and 4 centimeters depth. However, the interior is black with fabric, and there is a car compartment with mini leather and Louis Vuitton gold leather on it. Actually, this Petit Sac Plat with Epi leather will contain only 15, such a wallet and maybe an iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then there is no space left in this bag.
So for the conclusion, I really love this bag. It's small, it's black, it's unisex, and will match with every single outfit. Thank you for watching this far. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel for more luxury items review. See you next time. Bye bye.